We're in August and we just had a beautiful mass by Father. Thank you for the beautiful mass.
Oh, you're most welcome.
So guys, I was saying we just had a beautiful mass by Father David. We're in August, by the way. I'm not sure if I told you guys that it's actually my youth ministry from church. So we're just doing a little outing. But yeah, we just finished mass and we're about to head to go. I think we're going mission church first, but I'll take you guys along. Algas RC School, very beautiful and cozy. As you can imagine, it is cold, it is small and very cozy, but that sea breeze is hitting. As you can see over there, the sea is over there. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me. The breeze is too cool. Right now we're at the stop at the Atos Hotel.
An average of 80 to 100 eggs that will take approximately 2 months to hatch. Right? When you hatch, it takes about 4 days to get to the surface, and that's when the battle really begins because you have dogs and it's sandy.
Don't go away, Chad.
You have vultures and eat them. So you're looking at a survival rate of 1 in every 1,000 that's going to survive to maturity. Now, maturity is between 20 years and she has a lifespan of 80 to 100 years. Now, what is amazing is that these turtles does not lay once for the season. When she's finished laying tonight, she goes back into the water and in 10 days' time she returns to lay more eggs.
What?
When she starts to drop the eggs, so what we're going to do, because it's a few of us, we're going to just move around in circles. She takes about 10 minutes to lay. So we're going to move around and we're going to give everybody a chance to see the edge, right? Please. So don't sit back when you...
I feel like I'll go up to Britney and TV and go live.
Oh gosh.
But I'll do that.
You all saw it already?
Yes.
Okay. So I said there's a thick gel film from my eyes. Some of you hear people say the turtle is crying. But I'm really how she regulates the salt content in her body. Right, by releasing it through a gel through the eyes. Also the little pink spot is on top of the turtle head. That's the thinnest part of the turtle. That's where the brain is. That's where sunlight goes through the body to get to the brain. Now the brain of a leatherback turtle is of the size of a human an adult thumb finger. Right? So that's the size of the brain. Now leatherback turtles will eat mainly jellyfish. Right? She can eat about twice times her body weight in jellyfish a day. And a turtle this size, this is not the biggest that it will get, right? The one this size could be about 600-700 pounds. They could grow to about 1,200 pounds, 15 to the most. If it comes to that, there's a There's a jellyfish called the lion's mane. That jellyfish can weigh as much as 500 pounds. Right? So you find these jellyfish they're good. Now leatherback turtles can large sharks and killer whales will attack them. She could swim at a getaway speed of 100 meters in 10 seconds. And she could hold her breath under the water for as long as an hour. Right? She could also dive up to about 3,000 feet.
What you don't know.
So keep in mind if you don't have any questions at all, don't be ashamed to ask.
Is there a particular season when they come?
March over.
What age do they stop laying eggs?
They lay until they die.
Oh wow.
Now, another thing is that they do the same turtles don't lay every year. Right? So they will lay every 2 to 3 years. Right? So the turtles that are here this year will not be back next year.
Ready.
We haven't sat for a while because we didn't have any funding. Right? So we really start when we have funding. Now, when she's finished covering back the hole, she begins a process we call camouflage. Right? That is where she's going to begin to try to hide where she laid the egg. Right? When she covers back the hole to the level, she's going to begin on a throwback stance, moving around, trying to disguise the area.